is 20. One was Z is 40 west and M is 20 west, and I want to get the angle difference. Then you just subtract, right? West west, subtract. West east, add. East east, subtract. So with that, we can now move on to where we can now calculate the distance between 2 points practically. Along, we first concentrate on the longitudes. These are the longitudes, and the way we work on the longitudes is the same as the way we work for the equator, because equator and the longitudes are great circles. Now we will come also to the latitudes. Latitudes are these lines which run in this way. So these are the latitudes. We'll come to them, and we will notice that the diameter for the latitudes is not constant, because this latitude is obviously smaller than this. The circumference of this one here and the circumference of another one at the top is less than the circumference of this one. That one is less than the circumference of this one, you see. So they move on increasing. So their radiuses are not constant. So there is a formula for calculating that, and of course we'll come to that. But in the meanwhile, let's work on examples where we are moving along the longitudes, where we are moving along the great circles. Let's get to examples. Welcome. This is our first example on distance between 2 points on great circles. We are not dwelling on small circles, but great circles. Now in this example, we are told, calculate the distance between 2 points. One point is 0 degrees. Now, this one now takes us now to locating the position of points on the globe. Now we usually have, this is the longitude, and this one is the latitude, and this one is the longitude. So when you hear 0 degrees, it means that point is along the equator. So this is the equator, 0 degrees. So this is the 0 degrees latitude, which has 0 degrees, which is the equator. 70 degrees east. So this is our point here, P. 70 degrees east. 0 degrees, right? 70 degrees east, right? Then from there, we are being told, and the point Q, and the point Q is 0 degrees, so it's along the equator, 0 degrees. Then it's on a longitude, which is 25 degrees, but on the west, right? So this is our point Q. So this is our P, and this is our point Q. So we are required to get that distance first in kilometers, and then later on in nautical miles, in nm or nautical miles. So the first thing we would want to see now, so this is the point. To get the angle difference, of course, it's this point here, assuming that that is the center of the earth. So you find that this is the angle difference. This is our theta, right? This is our theta. And you find that to come from this point all the way to this other point, you have to come all the way to the prime meridian. You cover 70 degrees. Then from there to go to Q, you cover another 25 degrees. So see, we can simply say that the angle difference theta, the angle difference, which is theta, shall be given as 70 plus 25, which give us a total of 95 degrees. So the angle difference is 95 degrees. So now we can calculate or do the calculations, and we shall begin by getting the distance in kilometers. Distance in kilometers should be given by the angle difference over 360 times 2 pi r. Now what is our theta? Theta is 95. It should be 95 over 360 times 2 times, we are told to get it pi as 2 over 7. 2 over 7, r is 6370. 6370. So we can do some calculation here. I think we can do it up here. So this is 95 over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times 6370. 30, and this does by 7 is 1, by 7 is calculator will do good in assisting us. Yeah. And now this is 95 by, okay, by 91. We are dividing this one by 36, and this one will give us 10,566.11 kilometers. 10,566.11 kilometers. It is as simple as that. Getting the angle difference and just getting the formula, applying the formula, you have your answer. Right? Now, part 2 is calculating the distance, but now in nautical miles. And we said for longitudes, the relation is that 1 degree equals to 60 nautical miles. 1 degree equals to 60 nautical miles. So to calculate that, we just say 1 degree is 60 nautical miles. So what is our angle difference? Our angle difference as 95 degrees. So this is 95. So you bring 95 here. 95 degrees will be equivalent to how many nautical miles? And this one we do it as 95 divided by this, multiply by this. This divided by this, we multiply by this, and we shall have 95 over 1 times 60 nautical miles. So this one gives us 95 times 60, which is 5,700 nautical miles. 5,700 nautical miles. So this is as simple as this. This is how you, but this was our relation which we had given before, and this is how you just apply it and you have your answer. Right? So that is how you do it. That's how you solve that. And remember, we have said that when you are given the position of points like this one, this means this one is the latitude and this one is the longitude. So this is the latitude, this one is the longitude, this one is the latitude, this one is the longitude. So please take note of that, and with more exercise, I believe this is helpful to you. Thank you.